Welcome to Math 155, Section 8.3, Describing and Analyzing Data. So in this particular lecture video, I want to show you something called the central tendency. Central tendency simply implies what lies in the middle. So when we're talking about what lies in the middle of a data set, we often thinking about the word mean, median, and mode. All three things together is called a central tendency and each one got something to do with what lies in the middle of a data set. All right. So rather than using the word average in statistics, the word mean, okay, is what we normally think. Add them all up and divided by so many we added. So in statistics, though, the word average is actually referring to mean, median, or mode. So to be more specific, okay, mean is mean is simply implies that we add them all up, divide by so many we got. Okay, all right. Median, as you can recall, is referring to the value that lies in the middle of a data set when we arrange them in ascending order, listing from small to large. Mode is referring to the value that's in the data set that occurs the most. So all three things is referring to what lies in the middle. And together, we normally call them the word average. So on the daily use, we say the word average simply means add them all up, divided by so many we got. So rather than showing you how to add up all these numbers, I'm going to demonstrate this in a little bit different way. Okay, it's very important that if you do have a graphing calculator, I would like to show you how to do this. Okay, so rather than add them all up, divide by so many we got to find mean. Okay, that's one way to do it. I want to show you how to do it in a graphing calculator where everything is a little bit easier. So if you do have a graphing calculator, okay, and you want to do it this way, what you can do is press the word stat. Okay, choose number 1, edit. If you got something under L1, okay, go up and press clear. Do not press delete, press clear and press enter. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is enter every one of these numbers. And so we press 46 and press enter. All right, 47, 47. All right, so I can do this a lot quicker with my keypad. 48, 42, 42, 45, 41, 35, 52, 39. Okay, so once you key everything in a graphing calculator, what you do next is press stat. Highlight the word calc by going to the right and choose number 1, one variable statistics, and press enter. So the mean, which is this symbol called X bar. X bar means sample mean, which is 44. All right, so our answer here for the data, the mean is 44. All right. Now, if you want to do it, if you don't have a graphing calculator, my second quit, we could just simply add up all these numbers. 46 plus 47 plus 47 plus 48 plus 42 plus 42 plus 45 plus 41, 35, 52, and 39. All right, add them all up, and then we say divided by, how many did I just enter? 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, divided by 11. All right, I get the same thing, 44. Okay, 2 different ways to do it, but I do want to show you how to do it in the graphing calculator, which we're going to continue to do this here in a little bit. All right, Frank knows that his first 4 test grades were 85, 86, 77, 92. Use the formula. This is how we calculate mean, okay, or sample mean. Add them all up, divided by so many we added to find Frank's grade on the 5th test if his average is 83.2. So basically what we can do is set up his average 83.2, which is equal to, okay, the first four tests added up And then we're going to add on to the fifth one, which we're going to call it x sub 5. Okay, that's referring to the fifth test that we don't know, divided by 5 test. Okay, so solving for x of 5. So the way how we solve, since I only got 2 terms, what I can do is multiply both terms by the least common denominator, which is 5 on both sides. All right, so that will give me 5 times 83.2, which will give me 416 on the left side, which is equal to, tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and combine all these right here. Combine all my like terms. So what's going to happen here, the top 5 and the bottom 5 will cancel each other out. So I don't have any more denominator down there. So let's see, 85 plus 86 plus 77 plus 92. So first 4 tests added together, total of 340 points. So basically what the 416 means is, in order to get an 83.2 average, okay, that means the total points you earn is 416, okay? So right now from the first 4 tests, he already got 340 points. So what does he need to make on the 5th test, called x of 5, in order for him to obtain the 83.2 average? So what does he need to make on the 5th test? So let's move this 340 over. So the 5th test got to be positive 340, move over to the left side, become negative. So since he needs total of 416 points, he already earned 340 of those. So that means he needs to make 76 on the 5th test. All right. Let's take a look at how we find median. We know median is normally median is referring to what lies in the middle, the value that's exactly in the middle when we rewrite or when we organize our data from small to the largest. Okay, so let me do this by hand first. Let's find the smallest number. To me, it seems that it's 20, so I'm going to put 20 right here. The next one is 21. 21, 25, 26, no, 27, 1, 2 times 27, 27, 28, 29. All right, 30. Do I got 30? Nope. 31, 32, 33, 34, and 40. All right, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So if I got 11 data value, okay, which is odd, then I should have 1 number left in the middle. If I got even number data value, then I should end up with 2 of them left in the middle. So if that's the case, then the last 2, the 2 in the middle, add them up, divided by 2, that will give you the true median. So what we do is take the ends off to find median and work our way towards the middle. So since I got odd number data, that will actually tell me exactly in the middle is going to be 28. All right. Now, how do I do this in the graphing calculator? If you do have a graphing calculator, all right, we can go back to Stat. Okay. Number 1, choose Edit. So this time I got number under L1, so I'm going to go up to the top, press Clear, press Enter. I'm going to type in these 11 numbers real quick. And if I do type in a number wrong, please forgive me. Sometimes that does happen. All right, once you key in everything, go back to Stat, highlight the word Calc, choose number 1 again. All right, so our mean, is 29.5. All right, so let's go down. If you scroll down a little bit, This MED, oh, I must have made a mistake. MED stands for median. It says 28.5, but earlier one I found was 28, so I must have been a number wrong. So let's go back. I do apologize. Like I said, 40, 25, 27, 20, 38, 21, 33, 34, 27, 32, 29, 28. Hold on a minute. I got 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I got 12 number. So my fault. Apparently, I wrote down one number wrong here. By hand, 20, 21, 25, 27, 27, 28, 29, 32, 33, yeah, 33. Oh, I left out 38. My fault. I left out 38. So if I work my way towards the middle, that means these two numbers, the 20 and 29, should be the two in the middle. So if I got 2 left in the middle, what I do is add them up and divide it by 2. So that's the reason why exactly in between 20 and 29 would be 28.5. That's why my median in the calculator shows 28.5. Okay. Alrighty. Let's talk about mode. Mode referring to the number occurred the most. Okay. So these wording unimode, unimodal, bimodal, or bimodal, multimodal, just simply referring to how many mode you have. Okay. So if every number only occur one time, if the entire data is the same value, that is actually no mode. Okay. Another case is where if every number occur one time, then there's no mode. So in this scenario, the reason why there's no mode because there's no other value other than 34. So you cannot say the mode is 34 because there's no other value other than 34. So if all the numbers are exactly the same, that's also considered no mode. All right, let's take a look at this one, okay? 44 occur 1, 2, 3 times. So right now, I'm thinking 44. 37 occur 1 time. 51, 47, 47 occur 1 time. 45 occur 1 time. 49. So the only number occurred the most apparently is 43. So that's a unimode, and my mode is 44. All right. So just quickly show you how to find median, mean, and mode. Okay, the way you've been taught before, and versus using the calculator. Okay, so we will in the next video we will still talk about some of these. We'll also talk about some of these. How to use the calculator again. If you have a graphing calculator, if not, I will also show you how to do it by hand. All right, that will conclude this lecture video. Thank you for watching.